Industry body Confederation of Indian Industries has called for centralized oversight mechanism for tribunals, a step it says is necessary for more effective adjudication of cases related to specialized areas of law, ranging from taxation to public service matters. The tribunals are yet to have a centralized oversight mechanism that will ensure uniformity, policy coherence, and improvement in their overall performance, said CIA in a research note. The body pointed out that in the current legal setup, administrative control of tribunals is fragmented across various ministries and departments, crippling the effectiveness of these bodies due to lack of standardization and functional inconsistencies. It notes that these bodies are intricately involved in influencing investor friendly sentiment in country as they directly impact rule of law, economic governance, and ease of doing business. Further, industry bodies said reforms in working of tribunals are likely to unlock significant fiscal resources, tied up disputes, and improve overall ease of doing business with rupees 6.7 trillion pending resolution at the income tax appellate tribunal, constituting nearly 57% of all litigated direct taxes amount in the country. India Inc. has suggested laying the groundwork for establishing such a centralized body by amending Tribunal Reforms Act 2021, outlining its mandate, structure, scope, and responsibilities. The central body can be tasked with performance monitoring, data tracking, coordination with the search cum selection committees, capacity building, and independent grievance redressal to ensure faster case resolution by the tribunals. Another demand made by the industry body is to establish real-time monitoring mechanism for tribunals across the lines along the lines of National Judicial Data Grid, which will help introduce evidence-based reforms. India Inc. has drawn support for setting up a centralized oversight institution for tribunals from the Supreme Court judgments and 272nd report of the Law Commission of India of 2017, which has also endorsed the need for creating a unified oversight body for tribunals. Establishing a centralized oversight institution for tribunals would be a transformational step towards making India's justice delivery system more responsive, efficient, and future ready, directly contributing to boosting regulatory credibility, improving ease of doing business, said CII.